What are you doing? Hey, colorful boxes.
My mom made this for a friend who's getting married.
I wonder how many of these small boxes would fit inside that big box.
Come on, let's figure it out.
To answer this question, you have to know the volume of a rectangular prism. The big box and the small boxes are examples of objects that have the shape of a rectangular prism. The volume of a solid figure is the amount of space it occupies. Like all solid figures, a rectangular prism has 3 dimensions. These are the length, width, and the height. Let's say the cube measures 1 cubic decimeter and the rectangular box is 9 decimeters long, 5 decimeters wide, and 2 decimeters high. How many cubes were able to fit in the rectangular box? 90. That's a whole lot of cubes. Piling up the cubes side by side without any spaces in between is one way of finding out how much space a rectangular prism, like a box, can hold. This is easy if you only have a small box to fill in. What if you have a huge box? It will take you forever to fill it in. Do you know an easier way to find the volume of a rectangular box? You guessed right, by using a formula. Since the base of a rectangular prism is a rectangle, then its area is simply length times width. The formula for finding the volume of a rectangular prism is area of the base times height. Since the area of the base is equal to length times width, we can substitute these values in the formula. Thus, the formula for finding the volume of a rectangular prism is simply length times width times height. Quite easy, right? Can you now find how many cubes can fit in K's rectangular box if it measures 7 centimeters long, 4.2 centimeters wide, and 10.2 centimeters high?